pitong puting pupa.
Pidompuk, pidompupa.
Say it again.
Pidompuk, pilong pitutupa.
Again.
Hi guys! So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, meron po kaming farewell party dito po sa bahay ng aming executive chef sa Isara, Thailand. Kasama ko ngayon si Trisha and si Angel Oxin, dahil ayaw na ng Maida, Angel Oxin. So ngayon meron kaming farewell party sa aming dalawa dahil uuwi na kami ngayon. So ngayon see you guys in the Philippines. At ipapakita namin yung short film about sa bahay ni Kuya. Mali, sa bahay ni Chef.
Makikita natin sa Numiibig Fortuna.
Si Mami! So ipapakita namin sa inyo yung food namin na pinrepare. Sorry, maingay. Ayan. Ipapakita namin sa inyo yung food na pinrepare namin. Pine-prepare namin. Ayan. So, kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe, click the subscribe and hit the notification down below para lagi kang updated sa aming new video. So, mamaya makikilala niyo si Chef kasi wala pa siya dito sa bahay namin. Bakit kami dito nakatira? Kasi wala pa siya, nandito na kami, di ba? Di ba? Isang thumbs up yun!
Oh no, energy level. Come on.
Guys, pagbigyan mo na yun yung vlog kasi pauwi na.
So, ako si girl. Si Kain girl.
Di ba pwede fresh na lang?
Lock na. Yan. For now, papakita ko muna namin sa inyo yung bahay. Kahit wala siya.
House tour tayo.
Yes, house tour.
Pero wala maaari.
Kaya wala yung may-ari.
Good job, good job.
Thumbs up.
Very good ka dyan.
Very good ka dyan. Yung akin. Mag-start na tayo. In 5, 5. What's one?
Nabago na.
Nabago na po.
Ulit.
Oh, yeah.
1, 2, 3, aim.
In 10. Okay, in 5.
1, 2, 3.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi guys! Siya po ang ating tour guide for tonight. Ayan, ngayon gabi na po dito. Pero wala pa rin po si Chef kasi busy po siya. May meeting po sila. So, ayan. Siya po ang ating tour guide. Siya na po ang bahala. Ako po ang cameraman. Ngayon. Let's go.
Let's go, guys. You wanna come with me?
At siya po ang singer.
Guide
Dancer.
/ dancer.
Welcome to our house.
Let's go.
So let's go right now, guys.
Okay,
We're going
you
to
can
the not reception though. What do you call it? What sala?
Sala. Living room.
Oh, sorry. Okay. This is the living room.
Yes.
There you go. And this is the TV. Don't forget the TV. Alright, guys. So right now we're going to the dining area. So dito, pwede kayo mag one-on-one kung may jowa ka. Pero pag wala, iyak.
Saan tayo?
Then right
Saan tayo
now,
pag-
kitchen area with my mommy. super beautiful and fresh.
Wow.
It's like mom and daughter.
Eddie, wow.
Yeah. And look at the kitchen, guys. So fabulous. On this side, you will see the cute outlet.
Pera ko ba yun?
Ito yung mga plates. So, ayan. And this one is for and the foods.
Yes.
Ta-da!
1, 2, 3, go.
Boom, boom, boom.
Pagkain din to, guys, gulay.
Ito pang vegetarian to.
Ching ching.
So, that's the kitchen. Mommy, give me some meat. Tap, tap, tap.
A few moments later.
Guys, so nandito na si Chef.
Yes.
Ano nito?
Yes.
Chef?
Go. Go.
Naintindihan niya, guys.
Yes.
Chef Matias Polek. Oh, I
Well-renowned
know.
chef in Thailand.
One of the famous chef here in Thailand. Woo!
Singh chef.
So, hi guys! I'm with them.
May
With
nagluto ka ba
my
niya?
family
Yan.
here in
Kita mo
Kaunas.
Marap ka.
Oh,
Yes, this is all my Filipino gang.
Yeah.
Yay!
Philippines. Made in Philippines.
My heart is for Philippines.
Yay! So guys, nagagalit siya sa akin kasi nakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya. He was angry because I forgot his name. I only remember Atias. But I don't remember the M. How about the food, chef?
It's great. Look at this Filipino food. Chicken adobo here. Then we have here sisig. And then you see our very nice toilet roll.
Damn!
On the toilet roll. Good luck.
Very good, chef.
Toilet roll.
Isang thumbs up. Isa yun. Isa. You said isang
Isang,
thumbs up.
thumbs up. Isang, thumbs up.
Yeah. So you can eat first, chef.
Say hi.
Yummy.
Kasi sagutin namin siya. Si Micah yung magtatanong. Oo, logic. So, Micah has a question for you.
Yes.
Yes.
What's more heavier? 1 kilo of cotton or 1 kilo of cotton? If you can answer this.
I think 1 kilo of cotton or 1 kilo of gold.
Yes, what's more heavier?
It's the same.
Why?
I know it already. The answer. It's the same.
We have a tongue twister here, but it's a Tagalog version.
Okay.
So you must read the word.
Same it 5-time challenge.
Challenge. So you must say it 5 times.
Yes.
And this is the Filipino tongue twister. Are
Okay.
you ready?
Yes, I'm
Are
ready.
you ready? Are you sure?
I'm ready.
I will dictate it first. And
Yes.
then your
Okay.
turn, okay? Ang relo ni Leroy ay Rolex.
I have to say this.
Yes, 5 times.
Ang relo ni Leroy ay Rolex. Ang relo ni Leroy Arex.
Pitong puting pupa.
Pitumpuk.
Say it again.
Pidumpuk pilong pitutupa.
Again.
Piliput. Very strong and very hard, I have to say. But yeah, I try my best.
Kaso COVID pa.
Yes, why not?
Pugong bukid, pugong gubat.
Bugong bugid bugong kubat.
Again.
Bugong bugid bugong kubat.
Very good. Bumili ako ng bituka ng butiki sa butika.
Bumili ako ni bituka ni putiki sa putika.
Say it again.
Bumili ako ni putikuba na
Crazy na, ha?
What did you say?
budi.
Butiki, bituka, bituka.
Budiki bituka putika. Bituka putika. Yes, I'm angry. Laughing too much on me.
Nanganganak na si Chef. Sa kitchen ni Chef, niyaya na tayo dito sa kitchen niya sa hotel. Ipapakita namin sa inyo yung short video kung ano yung meron sa kitchen niya. Let's go!
Baliktad pa.
So guys, ito daw yung kutsaran. Pag umiinom siya ng soup, what did you call this? This one.
This is a fire burner, and I'm cooking here in my 5-star kitchen. I have today my assistant,
I'm the assistant, kunwari.
executive sous chef,
As steward.
and now we have here good soup. You see how nice?
Wow.
Wow!
Your kitchen is look like my room.
Make so funny on the video, please.
So welcome guys to what you call ano ba to? Carlos. Tingnan po natin yung mga ingredients.
Nilak pa rin ni Chef.
So meron po sila ditong egg. Naman tika, uwi na natin sa bahay. Tara na. Ano pa bang gusto mo? Chef, we're done! Chef, we're done! We're going home! Ito po pala. Chef, we're done! We're gone! Forgot, may usapan kasi kami ni Chef na mag-British accent kami. Chef! I told you yesterday we're going to British accent. We forgot it.
I like to speak this British accent with you.
Oh, you like it?
I like it a lot.
You love it?
Yes.
Really?
It's great to inspire this great language with someone in the Philippines.
Not really. I'm nose bleeding. Moment. Where is the ano yun, lababo? Ano yung
Sink.
Where is the sink?
little bit too funny, but I'm very happy. Look at this. This is an executive sous chef. Now we have also our executive chef woman here. She is Maika.
Sliding door.
Ginagawa mo.
Sliding door. Mahal to, tara. Benta na. So guys, ang napala namin, nagulat kami. Bumili ka. Yun pala yung gusto niya. Gugulatin niya tayo, be. Kaya niya tayo dinala sa kitchen. We will make a revenge to you, chef. With my 2 eyes and 2 with 2 ears and 2
Oh my God! Wow!
It's a no for me. Akit tayo sa kwarto ni chef. Itulong natin sila. Taka, chef. Tatayo kay chef. Let's go. Gantihan natin chef. So guys, inayos niya yung loob kasi siguro medyo messy. Pero papakita namin sa inyo yung guest room. So, ito yung sinasabi ng chef na guest room kapag yung family niya pumunta dito, dito niya pinagsistay. Meron din cabinet dito guys. Ayan. Higaan. Ito yung CR. Ang ganda guys. Pasok kayo. So, eto gym to. So, dito pag COVID daw, wash, wash, wash 3 times a day. Wash, wash. Mali! Brush, brush. Paano mo sa clip mo? Wash, wash. Hi, chef.
Hello.
What are you doing with our room?
I'm happy to be in your room.
I'm just joking. Let's go to his room. Let's go. So, this is his room. And mag-isa lang siya dito. Is the only one stay here. And dito, kung pwede dito ako matutulog. Chef! Uwi ko to sa Pilipinas, Chef! I will take it home!
Ginagawa mo.
So guys, this one is his toilet.
It's so refreshing.
Bye-bye. Just joking. Chef! Can we sleep here, me and Micah?
You're welcome, of course.
Okay. And also you go out. Just kidding. How many months did you stay here?
Let's say 3 months.
3 months. And then you only 3 months. And then 1 month me and Micah here. Are you okay with that? It's a yes for me. The golden buzzer. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Isang?
thumbs up.
Isang?
Isang
Thumbs up?
thumbs up.
Again, faster! Isang thumbs up?
Isang thumbs up.
Oh! Very good, Chef. Well said, Chef. Well said. Okay, good night.
Good night.
Baba na tayo? I'm tired already. You ready? I'm tired already. I'm tired already.
Ano na airport na natin si Manang?
So guys, nanakaw tayo ng cookie. Sabi ko lang. Sabi ko lang. Kasi gawin yun. 100 baht. Murang-mura na. Makauwi lang ako ng Pilipinas. So guys, ito Singha beer. From Thailand, Bangkok. Ito yung mga original nila na andang dito, alcohol or beer, right? Ayan, may layo pa sila. Tsaka chang.
Sabay lang.
Pero ito lang talaga sa akin. That's all, guys. That's all. Nagulat si Chef doon. Busy na kasi siya, kaya tingin ko, anong oras na rin, hindi na rin kami makapag-vlog ng marami. So, that's all, guys, for this video. Hope you like it. And comment down below kung may gusto pa kayong ipagawa or challenge. Hindi ko alam yung sasabihin ko. Kung may gusto kayong ipagawa sa akin or i-challenge ako, just comment down below. And hit the notification below para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga video. Sana makauwi na po ako para makapag-vlog na tayo ng mas marami. Bye-bye! Ate, bye-bye! Say bye-bye! Chef, bye-bye!
Last na.
Say bye-bye! Bye, guys! Thank you po pala sa Nu Skin. Galing kay Uteng. Ayan, kay George. Kapatid po ni Peppa Pig, si George. Si Peppa Pig! Si Peppa Pig, si George. Napaka-George. Kaya pala natamaan ka, Bi. Thank you po sa Nu Skin. So, para sa susunod na next vlog ko, ito na pa ang i-vlog ko. Bye-bye! I would like to thank Nu Skin. Yan. And also Uteng for this gift. Wow! Oh! So guys, gusto ko lang po mag-thank you kay Chef kasi binigay niya po sa akin ito. Wow! Ang kanya pong uniform. Executive Chef. Susuot po natin siya. Susuot po natin siya. Moment na!
Ini-expect mo.
Uy, karangalan niya na sa mga lang executive chef. Executive. Balak dyan. Sigaw sa ako yung ano.